What's going on, guys? Capo is back with another prank, and this time I want you guys to start hashtagging it's lizard time. Yes, you saw the last prank, guys, with the cockroach, so you know this time it's gonna be even more epic. I gotta make it quick. Abby's in the living room right now, and she's like on her phone idling and stuff. So I'm gonna go in there right away and show this lizard on her. So, guys, let's do this.
Mas kita nggak sebelum ada
Yeah, come in. Don't move. Don't move. I'm sorry. Why is that the Oh boy. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Abby.
Suppose mama catch one lizard something when I'm back.
Him dead, no worry yourself.
Okay, me there.
He's dead.
Come on, come here over there. Come back. Look at him. Let me go with our road lizard.
Alright guys, I don't want to give her any heart attack. She doesn't like lizards, so I'm gonna throw it away now. Hashtag lizard. You know what, guys? Let's give it one more chance. Let's go. Hey! Oi! You come around the right time? You fast enough? Hey, you're fast, but I'm being fast. Alright, we're done now. No more playing with you. Okay, guys. Hashtag it's lizard time. Team Capo. If you guys like these pranks, I'll be afraid of everything that crawls, guys. So more will be coming, guys. Hashtag Team Capo. It's number 3. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, we ain't have on the clothes. That be look good. I'm too. It's even dark.
Look at the place.
You did that, not me. That was all on you, girl. Alright, obviously she's gonna catch all the stuff. Because you're not working out. That's why. Oh! Alright, guys. That's it for the lizard prank. But remember, hashtag Team Capo, hashtag lizard time. I'm gonna be doing more of these pranks on her. You know she's afraid of everything, guys. So see you guys on our next video. Abby, you not saying anything to the camera? Team Capo, nothing? Team Capo? Team Capo? Are you gonna say Team Capo today? Mind the TV. Team Capo? You know Alright guys, she's not a Team Capo today, so see you guys in our next video. Alright, where's she? You're not a Team Capo? Oh boy. Oh, the police dead.